Welcome back to my channel once again. In this video we are going to discuss 30 exit exam questions of elementary first aid. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video and share this video as much as you can. Thank you. Question number 1. What is the most important thing to do if you think someone is having a heart attack? Option A. Give aspirin and wait to see if it helps. Option B. Help the person lie down. Option C. Call the person's doctor. Option D. Call medical help. Correct answer will be D. Call medical help. Next question. Question number 2. To safely perform a chair carry you need option A. 2 rescuers. Option B. 3 rescuers. Option C. 4 rescuers. And option D. 5 rescuers. Correct answer will be B. 3 rescuers. Next question. Question number 3. What is the best way to remove a tick? Option A. Smother it in butter. Option B. Lift it out carefully with tweezers. Option C. Scrape it off with a hard flat object like a credit card. Option D. Burn it off with a hot match. Correct answer will be B. Lift it out carefully with tweezers. Next question. Question number 4. You have a casualty that is muttering to themselves but not making any sense. Their face appears to be dropping in one side. What might be wrong with them? Option A. They are having a heart attack. Option B. They are in shock after witnessing an accident. Option C. They may be having a stroke. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer will be C. They may be having a stroke. Next question. Question number 5. You discover a particle embedded in the casualty's cornea. You should option A. Remove the particle with the moist corner of a facial tissue or clean cloth. Option B. Flush the eye with water for 10 minutes. Option C. Use a splinter force to remove the particle. Option D. Cover the eye and transport the casualty to medical help. Answer will be D. Cover the eye and transport the casualty to medical help. Question number 6. Urine enters the bladder through which structure? Option A. Ureter. Option B. Collecting duct. Option C. Kidney. Option D. Urethra. Answer will be A. Ureter. Next question. Question number 7. What damage could occur if first aider's hands are placed at the tip of the sternum during heart compression? Option A. The patient may vomit as his stomach is squeezed. Option B. The lungs might be punctured leading to severe loss of breath. Option C. The ribs might be cracked. Option D. The liver might be torn leading to severe internal bleeding. Correct answer will be C. The ribs might be cracked. Next question. Question number 8. Blood is the vehicle for the human cardiovascular system. Its major subdivisions are the plasma, including red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Option A. True. Option B. False. Answer will be A. True. Next question. Question number 9. When caring for choking infant, what position is the infant held? Option A. Upside down by ankles and shoulders. Option B. Face up on flat surface. Option C. Face down on your forearm with head lower than the body. Option D. Face down on your knee with head lower than the body. Answer will be C. Face down on your forearm with head lower than the body. Question number 10. Signs that hernia is serious include option A. Pain and tenderness at site. Option B. Pale ashen skin color at site. Option C. Hernia can be pushed back into body. Option D, hernia is above the diaphragm. Correct answer will be A, pain and tenderness at sight. Next question, question number 11. How you should react to an emergency? Option A, assess the scene for safety. Option B, estimate the number of victims and call help. Option C, get the first aid kit, put on PPE before helping. Option D, all of the above. Answer will be D, all of the above. Question number 12. The proper stimulant for the unconscious person is option A, tea. Option B, coffee. Option C, whiskey and water. And option D, ammonia inhalant. Answer will be D, ammonia inhalant. Next question. Question number 13. If someone suffers heart attack and has ceased breathing, you should option A, immediately give stimulant by force if necessary. Option B, make the victim comfortable in a bunk. Option C, immediately start CPR. Option D, administer oxygen. Correct answer will be C, immediately start CPR. Next question. Question number 14. A communicated fracture is one where the bone has option A, broken into pieces which are floating. Option B, broken where only part of the bone is fractured. Option C, broken clearly with each end attached. Option D, broken and is affecting muscles and nerve. Correct answer will be A, broken into pieces which are floating. Next question. Question number 15. In order to initiate CPR on a drowning victim, option A, start chest compression before the victim is removed from the water. Option B, drain water from the lungs before ventilating. Option C, begin mouth-to-mouth ventilation. Option D, do not lift the head back since it may cause vomiting. Answer will be C, begin mouth-to-mouth ventilation. Question number 16. Some people are very allergic to insect bites and stings. This condition is called option A, septic shock. Option B, cardiac arrest. Option C, toxic shock and syndrome. Option D, anaphylactic shock. Correct answer will be D, anaphylactic shock. Next question. Question number 17. The goal of medical services is to provide option A, satisfactory treatment of male semen. Option B, provide treatment for those in need of urgent Medicare. Option C, to provide help to seamen in time of financial need. Option D, to provide help in the sea of disabled people. Correct answer will be B, provide treatment for those in need of urgent Medicare. Question number 18. Heat stroke affects body's vital organs except option A, brain. Option B, heart. Option C, kidney. And option D, bones. Answer will be D, bones. Question number 19. When performing abdominal thrust, how many thrusts do you do? Option A, 1 to 5 thrust. Option B, 6 to 10 thrust. Option C, 15 to 20 thrust. Option D, 30 to 40 thrust. Correct answer will be B, 6 to 10 thrust. Question number 20. What does the ABC for first aid stand for? Option A, the letters in the alphabet. Option B, air, breathing and concentration. Option C, airway, breathing and circulation. And option D, none of the above. Correct answer will be C, airway, breathing and circulation. Question number 21. If a person is choking, you should do nothing as long as option A, they are coughing. Option B, they are still conscious. Option C, their face has not turned blue. Option D, they start crying. Correct answer will be A, they are coughing. Next question, question number 22. Before giving CPR, you should make sure. Option A, they are not bleeding. Option B, they are conscious or unconscious. Option C, they are not vomiting. Option D, they are not dead. Answer will be B, they are conscious or unconscious. Question number 23. You are alone and administering CPR to an adult victim. How many chest compression and how many inflations should you administer in each sequence? Option A, 15 compression then 2 inflation. Option B, 15 compression then 4 inflation. Option C, 30 compression then 2 inflation. Option D, 30 compression then 4 inflation. Answer will be C, 30 compression then 2 inflation. Question number 24. The content of the first aid kit include the following except. Option A, micropore. Option B, macropore. Option C, bandage. Option D, seizure. Answer will be B, macropore. Question number 25. Advanced Communication System and Technology stipulated by WHO where medical advice can be sought by. Option A, telemedicine. Option B, satellite communication. Option C, radio medical advice. Option D, compulsory onboard specialized. Answer will be C, radio medical advice. Next question, question number 26. Which of the following is not a good approach to managing stress? Option A, talking directly to the person who is causing the stress. Option B, giving yourself a treat like comfort food or cocktail. Option C, accepting that there are things beyond your control. Option D, trying cognitive behavior therapy to learn new coping skills. Answer will be B, giving yourself a treat like comfort food or a cocktail. Question number 27. A high fiber, low fat diet and regular exercise can help to. Option A, increase CVD. Option B, increase weight. Option C, lose weight. And option D, none. Answer will be C, lose weight. Question number 28. Which of the following is a laboratory procedure developed to provide an objective behavioral measure of the tendency to binge eat? Option A, palatability test. Option B, food preload test. Option C, full capacity test. Option D, fully loaded test. Answer will be B, food preload test. Question number 29. Pick one of the following familiar factors that plays a role in the development of eating disorders. Option A, parental attitudes to sex. Option B, parental obesity. Option C, parental attitudes to media. Option D, parental attitude to education. Answer will be B, parental obesity. Question number 30. Body dissatisfaction is associated with triggering bouts of. Option A, purging. Option B, binging. Option C, dieting. And option D, shopping. Answer will be C, dieting. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.